So how can you tell when price has built up a strong enough range that you can fade the highs and the lows for scalping? The answer is simple. We use the volume profile. You see this area here where price balloons out in this price area? We call this a high volume node, and this is the market's favorite price. This is where the big players are doing business. They're building their positions, and they tend to keep price pinned around this price level. We call this a balanced market. It's considered price acceptance. And when we have a market like this, we tend to expect rotating price conditions. So here's the play. When the volume profile is starting to build a defined distribution in price, and it's giving us clean edges to the high and the low, these edges become your battlefield. These are the spots that we're going to look to fade the market back to the point of control, which is the most popular price in the distribution. This is a great place for partial profits, and you can take the remainder of your profits at the other side of the distribution. We call this the fade value area extreme setup, and it's one of the most common setups in the entire VWAP Wave system. Price stretches to the edge of value, tags the extreme, and snaps right back to the point of control, and then ultimately the other side of value. This setup becomes insanely common after a big move in price. The market tends to settle down and a new distribution begins to form. So what's the translation? When the trend cools off, the scalpers, this is when we eat. So don't overthink it. You're not predicting reversals. You're just reacting to the rejection at the value area extreme. You'll begin to see a flattening VWAP, a defined distribution, and clean rotations. This is your green light. I've taken countless trades just like these live. Tight stops, quick rotations, high win rate. So once you see this type of value area develop, these fades practically call my name. If you want the exact criteria for this setup, plus the other 3 core setups in the VWAP Wave system, download my free VWAP Wave core setup guide and join the free Discord community. All you have to do is put the word fade in the comments below, and I'll send you everything you need to get started.